Congratulations, you got yourself a new DJI Mini 4 Pro, or maybe a Mini 3 Pro. As you know, they come in these little bags. They're not that great. They're okay, but you shove your drone in there, your battery pack, and your controller. Got a little bit extra space back here, maybe for some paperwork. You got a very tiny little thing up here for maybe some little bit of accessories, maybe some SD cards. You're not going to get much in here, in other words. And it's floppy, it's very soft. It doesn't offer a lot of protection for that investment you just made. Like I say, it's kind of floppy. I don't think you really need it. Get rid of that. Here's the solution. Right here. Cymic. It's a waterproof hard case made especially for a drone. This is made especially for the Mini 4 Pro, or I believe the Mini 3 Pro also. Anyway, let's check it out. This thing is very solid, very heavy duty. I like it a lot. Open it up, and you can see I got my drone. I do keep the cover on there, that little cover it comes with. I just like it, keeps the propellers protected in there. Got my controller, got my batteries and the battery pack. Got a little spot here you can carry extra stuff. I carry my little DJI Pocket 2, and it all fits in there really nice and snug. It's got this little cutout on top, so when you close it down, it doesn't, hit your drone or anything. It just stays in that nice pocket. Best feature about this thing, this lifts right out. So you can set that out, and now you got room for extra storage. You can do your strobes. I got 3 of those in here. I got some ND filters, some cleaning cloths, all my extra propellers. I carry a little charging pack for my phone, all my paperwork. This is great because you can put all your paperwork underneath there. You got to carry that paperwork with you. So you can put all that under there, and everything fits nice. It gives you extra room. That's so nice. So you put this back in here, and voila. Shut her down. It's got a couple spots here on the side and the corners, so you don't have to worry about it if you drop it. That bag, forget it. You can put a couple of locks on here. It's got your little slide things here. It comes with a really nice strap. It comes with some extra inserts, the foam that you can put inside and the bottom to, separate and organize everything if you want to. Hey, all I can say is it's pretty awesome. It's way, way better than that little flimsy bag that it comes with. It's like, I got it for, I think I paid like $49 on Amazon. It's a pretty nice case. I'm pretty happy with it. If you have a little mini drone and you're worried about that little bag, get something like this. Do yourself a big favor. This is awesome. 50 bucks. You ain't got to worry about it. This is what it looks like, and this is the box that it comes in. It's a P330, and it's a waterproof hard case. I've done some research. Other places have them. They're a lot more money. Even Harbor Freight has ones like $20 more, $10 more. The Apache, it's probably a good case, but I like this one. It's heavy duty. It's got a nice solid handle on it. Like I said, it comes with a nice, really heavy strap. Definitely worth having. But this was made specifically for a drone. It fits right in there. So nice. Anyway, hey, subscribe, follow if you can. That'd be great. Got any questions, any comments? Let me know. I really stand by this product. I think it's pretty nice. Let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.